Making Sense of Coordinating Conjunctions, your writing assignment guide. Hello, English language learners. Today we are going to explore a crucial part of English grammar that can take your language skills to the next level. We're diving deep into the world of coordinating conjunctions. Not only will we understand their function and usage, but we'll also learn how to incorporate them into your writing assignments effectively. Before we start with the writing assignments, let's refresh our memory about coordinating conjunctions. They are simple, yet powerful tools that connect words, phrases, and clauses of equal importance in a sentence. The most commonly used ones are fanboys, which stands for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Coordinating conjunctions are like the glue that holds your sentences together. They help create smoother transitions, connect related ideas, and increase sentence variety. Most importantly, they provide coherence and cohesion to your writing, making your arguments stronger and more engaging. So remember, a well-placed conjunction can make a world of difference. Now, let's get to the most exciting part: writing assignments. Here, we will try to use the coordinating conjunctions effectively in our writing. Subsection 3.1. Writing prompts. Start with simple sentences. Use each of the fanboys in a sentence. For example, I wanted to play outside, but it started to rain. Repeat this exercise until you feel comfortable with all the fanboys. Subsection 3.2. Short paragraphs. Once you're comfortable, upgrade to writing short paragraphs. Create a paragraph using all fanboys at least once. Here's an example. I love reading books, and my favorite genre is mystery. I prefer reading at night, for it's peaceful then. I don't like horror stories, nor do I enjoy science fiction. My brother loves science fiction, but I can't share his enthusiasm. We often discuss our reading preferences, yet we fail to convince each other. Despite our different tastes, we both enjoy reading, so we often spend our weekends at the local library. Subsection 3.3. Storytelling. Finally, move to storytelling. Write a short story, making sure to use all fanboys. Remember, the goal is to use coordinating conjunctions naturally and effectively. Well, that's it for today, folks. Coordinating conjunctions are indeed a simple, yet powerful tool in English writing. I hope this video helps you understand their importance and how to use them effectively in your writing assignments. Keep practicing, and you'll see the difference they make in your writing skills. Happy writing!